You're busy at work, but you're restless because of this nagging pain that is affecting your back and shooting down the leg. What do? I have a task to accomplish. My boss is at my neck. I have targets to reach. I have no time, barely time even to go for therapy because I have work, I have employees. There's a lot to do. There's so many things that I need to achieve. What do? I'm stuck. I'm in this. I've taken painkillers this morning. Probably I took more last night, but still this pain is nagging. Don't panic. We at Mostfit Physiotherapy Center are more than able to help you. But if you don't have time, there are these simple steps that you can do to relieve your pain. First, just in your workspace, the painful leg, put it above your knee, the opposite knee that is not paining. It will be excruciating, it will be painful. Try to drop even the knee to that level. Yeah. So wherever it is able to do, just start gently. With the other hand, one in between the space, try to reach to your other ankle and come back up. Do it again and come back up. Do it again and come back up. And remember, you have both sides. Even if this one is not paining, it is compensating because of the one that is paining. So no harm in doing it. It also directs you to how best you can do to the other side. Because your left should be able to do the same as what the right can do. So also do it on this other side. Remember, one leg, one hand in between the space, you're trying to reach at the ankle that is down as much as you can. Don't hold for long. If it is painful, don't hold. Just go down and come back up. Go down and come back up. If you feel like when you're holding it down, it's giving you a relief, well and good. Go down, breathe in and out, and come back up. Repeat that several times. There's another stretch, a mobilization that you can do. Because all the pain starts at the lower back, because of the segments which are a bit locked. So what you want to do is mobilize this segment. So what you're doing is you're rocking your hip up, forward, and backward. So you're rocking your hip, it's like you're dropping your tummy into your groin and pushing the lower back out. So you're rocking the hip bone down, forward, and backward in the sitting position. So you do like that several times while resting your upper back on your chair. So you make sure that you're sitting properly, and then what you're doing is you're rocking your hip up and down, up and down. Repeat this several times, and you can go about doing again with your leg up and down, alternate. Just these two exercises, and the other side, same thing. Always, one side will be painful, the other side is a comparison to see how much or how better can you do the painful side. So if this one is at this position and you struggle to do it, yeah, the opposite side will be a little bit better, giving you more flexibility. Just do it. Because what happens is with the back, the tension side is usually the opposite side to the painful side. So if your pain is on the left, the tension side is mostly on the right. So as you compensate, as you do the exercises on one side and the other, this will enable you also to feel where the tension is. But what you're doing is you're trying to relieve the pain at the moment. Once you've done the two exercises, take a walk. Go have a glass of water at the dispenser. Come back, sit, try to concentrate, monitor your pain as you keep on doing this. But remember, you can't manage it by yourself. That's why we, the professionals, are here to be able to help you. You can do these simple steps to help you at least relieve the pain for a moment, but make time. Don't wait until it's too late. There are those people who are trying to avoid surgeries, and there are those people who don't even know what to do or what is ahead of you. With these short videos, you're able to understand and to learn little bits of your body. Don't forget to click to like, subscribe, and share to everyone that you know who's going through a pain here or another, and you might be able to save a life and help a life. We are here at Mostfit Physiotherapy Center. If you need our services, we are more than able to help you because God has blessed us in this field and has enabled us. We have a lot of success stories, and those who experience the success from us, please comment, encourage a brother or a sister, let them know that there is a place where they can receive a touch of care.